How are you doing today? I'm so excited to be in this training today. And today we want to learn how to create shortcuts in Revit. We want to learn how to create hotkeys. This is a project we have been working on. When you want to do some things, you will need hotkeys, shortcuts that will make your work faster. Shortcuts are combination of keys that can activate a command. For instance, if I want to move this wall, I can use icons. I can pick the icon and move it. By moving it, it is a command. Or if I want to copy it, I can select it, then click on copy and copy it. This is a command. For me to be able to activate that move or copy command, I have to click on something here. I have to click on any of these icons, some of the icons. But we can combine one or two keys to produce the same action of move or copy. And by combining those two keys are what we call shortcuts. You can also call it hotkeys. Okay. So we want to check out how we can create it. Now, if you want to access shortcut in Revit, you simply click on KS and it will take you to keyboard shortcuts, and here you can create your own. You can delete and add. For instance, if I want to create shortcut for wall, all I need to do is to search for wall. If I type wall, and you can see the shortcut for wall, that is WA. And the way I form my shortcut, I normally form them to be the keys close to each other so that my left hand side can be working on shortcut while my right hand can be on mouse. So if you look at it, WA is very close to each other. A and W are very close on the keyboard, and that is a very good combination. And if you want to search for door, for instance, my shortcut for door is DR. Let's search for door, and you can see DR. D and R are very close. That's a good combination. And my shortcut for extend, let's look for extend. Extend is trim/extend multiple, is EX. E and X are very close to each other. That is a very good combination. And if you want to check out dimension, for instance, dimension, okay, my shortcut for dimension is DS. That is align dimension, is DS. D and S are very close. And now, in case you don't like what is here, let's assume you don't like DS for dimension, you want to customize it. In that case, what you are going to do is you are going to select it and remove it. Then when you remove it, you are going to type your own. Let's say I want to type, instead of DS, I want to type DI and click assign and click OK. From that moment, if I want to place dimension now, all I need to do is to type di, and that will activate dimension. As simple as that. And let's say I want to look for shortcut for array. I'll simply type KS and it will take me to shortcuts. Then look for array, ARRA, and this is AR. If for instance I don't like to use AR for array, I can change it. But before I change it, I have to delete it. I have to delete the existing one first. Let me bring back my dimension. And align dimension. I'm going to remove this one and make it DS. Okay, assign and click OK. So that is that. That is how you can form your shortcut. Let's check for another thing. KS. Let's check for mirror. What's shortcut for mirror? Mirror pick axis, mirror draw axis, DM. Okay, so this is if I want to use shortcut for mirror now. Let's assume I want to mirror this door to this end. I am going to select it, then type DM and draw the axis here, and that will mirror the door to this side. So shortcuts are very, very powerful. They make your work faster. And with this I've taught you now, you should be able to create your shortcut with ease. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.